friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a very interesting dish, and that is fish and corn souffle. It's a baked dish and it's my family favorite. Okay, and I'll tell you the ingredients required for this fish and corn souffle. First thing is fish, of course. I boiled this fish, cooked this fish in water, and I've added this bay leaf one. This is cloves and cinnamon, okay, and little salt. I've cooked the fish with these three in the water, so the water is nice and seasoned and the fish will smell good. Then I've taken corn. You can take ready-made corn, for fresh corn, but I have taken this sweet corn cream. I'll be using 200 grams from here, okay, and the fish is approximately 200 grams, and cheese I'll be using 200 grams. I've grated the cheese and kept. Okay. Then I'll require one egg. Then salt and pepper for seasoning. Then one capsicum for decoration. And now the base, that is the white sauce. I've taken 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and 150 ml milk. Okay. This is 1 tablespoon butter. And I'll prepare this white sauce with this. I've kept the oven, preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll be baking this for say half an hour. Okay. Now while preparing the white sauce, this is a base for this, and even for your cream of tomato soup or any other cream of spinach, we use this white sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon butter. I'll melt this butter. 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 150 ml milk. You have to just see that it change its color. Okay, it should retain its white color. That's all you have to remember. Don't let the flour get brown. Just let it cook in this butter, and then gradually add milk so that no lumps are formed. Okay, see, fine. I'll gradually add milk here. Once the white sauce is prepared, it's just a question of mixing everything together. Okay, you can see now the consistency of this white sauce. It's nice and thick, there are no lumps here. So this is ready now. I will cool this, and then I will add the fish and the corn. And in the meantime, I will I will whisk the egg white. Okay, that's required. The yolk I will add in this. Okay. Okay, you can see my white sauce is cooled down now. See how it's nice and creamy. I will add this fish here. The fish. Okay, the fish is done. Then I will add the corn. If you buy fresh corn on the market, you can just put in the blender and use it. Okay. So corn is ready. Corn is done. Then this is the egg yolk. Egg yolk. Then this is the cheese. I've taken Amul cheese. Okay. Cheese is ready. Then salt. I will add very little salt, because this cheese is salty, the fish, so be careful with the salt. And for seasoning, just black pepper. Now I'll mix all this. extra on this. Then the egg white and egg white. Fold the egg white, okay? This gives a lightness to your souffle. Egg white. Okay, fold. That's it. Now I have lined this baking tin with a little butter, and I will bake all this at 160. Okay, you can see I have placed the mixed ingredients in this dish. I have added this capsicum rings here for decoration and in taste. Capsicum tastes good. And I will just grate a little cheese. I have added cheese in the souffle also, right? This is just for decoration. Cheese. Fine. And I will add a little butter on this. Okay, fine. Cheese here. 1 minute. Just a little butter. It's a very rich souffle. Now I'll bake the souffle. I'll bake the souffle at 180 Celsius and for half an hour. Okay, that's it. Okay, my 30 minutes over. The fish souffle. Wow, it's ready. Lovely aroma. Okay, it's a good baked dish for you to prepare. Now you can replace the fish. I'll use pomfret. You can use any other fish, the fish that you like, but I like it with pomfret. And you can also replace fish with chicken. Okay, okay, it's all up to you. You can keep changing corn. You can skip the corn if you want. Keep trying different variations, and if you like that, then let me know. Okay, enjoy the souffle. Try it. Bye.